How's it going? I'm standing next to my old Volvo and today I'm planning to install the big brake kit and also do some other work. It's quite cold outside, so I probably won't do everything I want, but let's see. So these are the brakes I'm going to use. I have 4-pot Brembo calipers, refurbished and also powder coated. I have new brake discs. These are also Brembo. It's actually from Volvo S60. I have new brake pads. I have to use the wheel spacers. These are actually 25 millimeters thick. Otherwise the wheels won't fit over the brake caliper. Then I have new sway bar links. The old ones are quite bad. Also, this is quite heavy. Also, I have new uprights. These are zinc coated and also powder coated. I have new lower A-arm joints, both, so I will be replacing them. Then I have new speed sensors. The other one, the one on the car is actually bad. And I also are going to install the new wheel bearings. These are actually on it, and I have put longer wheel studs on it so I can use the spacers. If I have time, I will replace the rear wheel studs also. I have the longer ones so I can put spacer on rear wheels also. Only worries I have is the length of the brake line. I think it will fit, but it might be too short. Also, I haven't tested the wheels on these brake calipers yet. I hope they will fit, but they might not, but we'll see. So these are the old brakes. They look quite rusty and old. They still work, but this is not good. And also I think the brake line is long enough. It looks like it will fit, but we'll see. Also, I'm going to try to test fit new brakes in the wheel. I really hope this brake caliper will fit this wheel, otherwise I can't install it because I don't have the bigger wheels. So let's see. So I will try to test fit it. It looks like the brake caliper will fit. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually not a lot of room, but I think it will fit. I got everything removed. It came apart quite easily. I already have the new brake caliper fitted. The brake line is the same. The brake line thread is the same as the Volvo one. That's good. The tie rods are in good conditions. The shock absorber is in good condition. I have a new A-arm installed a while ago. It's good. It's still good. So I'm going to install the new upright. Now I'm going to show you how I made the big brake kit. So I'm using a Brembo 4-pot brake caliper, like I said. I welded on, as you can see, I welded on new tabs. Actually my friend welded them. so it will directly bolt on to a original upright. Also, I had to laser cut a new brake disc spacer. This is 1 millimeter thick. It's actually for moving the offset of the brake disc, because it was not centered with the caliper. Now it is, so I can use this quite big Volvo S60 brake caliper. And I also have a custom made Volvo bolt pattern wheel spacers to offset the wheel to clear the caliper. So it's quite easy layout, and it looks quite stock. And also you can see the long wheel studs. I pressed out on a hydraulic press the old studs and installed the new studs. Now I have around 25-30 millimeters longer studs, so I can use spacers with the original wheel nuts. To modify the brake line bracket, just to turn it a bit to get the brake line a bit lower so it won't hit anything. Now it's good, there's no binding, but anything else fitted perfectly. I got everything finished. It looks really amazing, just like stock. I still have to do the other side. I already played the brakes, but I still have to replate them. So I will go and do the other side. Got the right side finished up. It looks good. I still have some things to do, but it's getting late and dark, so I think I will finish it up tomorrow. I still have to bleed the brakes, and if I have time I will change the rear wheel studs, and I think I will put on winter tires. Second day installing the brakes. It's really cold and foggy morning. It's around 0 degrees outside, so it's really cold. I thought I have time to do other works also, but actually I think I'll only finish up the front brakes and put on some really old winter tires, because the winter tires I have for this car are on the wheels, which are actually 16 inch in diameter, but they don't fit the brake caliper, so I have to use other wheels with some really old winter tires and get the tires changed as soon as possible. got everything finished. It brakes really good. It has never braked as well as it does. I had some issues. The inner wheel weights are hitting the brake caliper and the wheels are poking out too much, so it hits the inner wheel wells. These tires are oversized, so when I put the normal size tires on it, it should be good, but we'll see.